Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image several years ago. She's from one of the best model agency, Southern Cross in Okinawa. This is my subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used to filter called Find Edges. Pretty nice pencil drawing type image. From this shot, I actually used the different shots, different cut of the image. I made watercolor and dry media type, pastel color type images the other day and today. I don't know what's gonna happen and what's gonna turn out. Well, let's see what kind of image I can make from these two images. Well, let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna change blend mode to this luminosity and shadow colors. I may make pastel color image. Let's see. Okay, get this image fixed. One layer. Okay, select multiple. 1, 2, then duplicate layers. Now smudge selected. We got one image. Then I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then change blend mode to multiply to get this a little bit more darker color. Merge them to get pretty dark image. Okay, now this is kind of harsh image, isn't it? Harsh, grainy look. So I think I did same way on a Gaussian blur to get out of this grains. Well, just in case, I'm gonna make duplicate layer, then turn it off, one of this. Then let's use Gaussian blur on this image. Well, is there any Gaussian blur? No, I don't think. Well, maybe smudge or something. Well, that's interesting. Let's try smudge this time. Dry media to scratchy pencil, maybe? Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, that's interesting. It may work. Smooth out these grains. Alright, almost done for smudging. This time I didn't use texture of the brush. This is just take out these grains, so sort of foggy filter type image. I think it's not oil paint or something like that because of the texture of the brush. No texture, just smudging. Alright, well, let's see how it's going to turn out. To see this, okay, I'm going to change the blend mode of this luminosity effect layer. Smudged. Okay, I'm going to rename this. Alright. Now let's see, change this blend mode. Okay, I'm going to move this pencil drawing type image over the image and just turn it off to keep it. Change blend mode back to normal. Then turn it off to keep it. Now this one is, I changed color burn. It shows so more smoothly, I think. Yeah, I just want to compare with this no smudged image. So I'm gonna move this one down. Then turn it off this smudged image. Then turn on this luminosity effect layer without smudge. Change blend mode to color burn. Yeah, so much grain in it, huh? So turn it off. Then turn it on this. Yeah, need to smudge just touch more, huh? But that's the difference. But this is kind of interesting. Well, just now turn it off. Then let's see, turn it on this smudged image. Then check it out, the colors. Pin light. This is kind of interesting. Well, as an illustration, I think overlay or pin light. I kind of like the effect of the pin light all around, except her hair and face. Maybe I can get from overlay the part of image. Okay, here's pin light, but let me touch up more. Okay, let's touch up more detail. With the smudge tool, it's scratchy pencil now. I'm going to use a rough pencil and let me see how it's going to turn out. Not much. Not much effective. Well, scratchy pencil again. Yeah, this one has more effective, I think. Yeah, so I go more detail and a nice smooth out. Yeah, that's interesting to smudge these details, but that's worthwhile. Let's see, overall, it's nicely. We won't matter on this her face because it's not gonna. I'm gonna make masks, so don't worry about this. Dress is alright, shows nicely. Alright, now light image about 60, well, maybe 70. Alright. This is the base image. I kind of like the effect and lighten up some. Now I'm going to duplicate this original image. Then bring this original image, move up to under this luminosity effect layer. Now this is the original image. Turn on this luminosity effect layer. Now I'm looking at her face only. Change blend mode to overlay. Wait a minute. This is not smudged, huh? That's right. So, in this case, now I'm going to duplicate this smudged luminosity effect layer. Then bring this one up over the original image. Then let's see, change pin light to overlay. Some clean up grains, huh? Okay. Then tone, well, make it 65 overlay. Then I'm gonna smudge again on this, not really nicely. Much nicer, smoother. These grains come from I pushed so much because of the low light. I pushed the exposure. Okay, This is nice now. Alright, let's smudge. Now I'm gonna merge down to get one image, and then I'm gonna create empty mask, invert mask. And then I'm gonna reveal this with, I think, same brush. Well, dry media to pastel square. These textures come from pastel square brush. So I don't know if it's, well, okay, change the brush, not dry media, basic to soft round opacity, so it's gonna go smoother. Okay, maybe a little bit too light. Yeah, color burn. Pencil drawing type image goes to color burn. Okay, move this empty layer and go all the way top. Then I'm gonna add white, filling with white. Pixel layer. Now I'm gonna create empty mask. Now reveal with painting. Let me see this roughing brush. Okay, and I want to add one more layer with same roughing brush. Yeah, that's it. Well, I think that's it for today. This is the result of the image. Yeah, I like this roughing brush texture. Nice. And a kind of hikey image. Feel like kind of nice, I think. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.